Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the Gothic hair combo inspo for Dress to Impress. Today, through this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can mix and match the best dark hairstyles, dramatic bangs, and luxurious long hair to create a jaw-dropping look that screams high fashion horror. So now let's just get started to create this gothic hair. First, you can go to the afro hair category and put on this hair. So for the color, I'm going to use all black like this. Then put on this messy details right here. Again, use black color. Now go to the wavy hair category and put on this hair. Combine it with this one in here. And last one, you can put on this wavy hair. You can choose between these two and change the color to black. And now this will be the final look for gothic hair in DTI. You can try this one for your next theme in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.